everyone, hope you're doing good. So today we're gonna make chicken wing fry. So let's get started. So first we're gonna take a pan, turn on the flame on high, and into this we're gonna add some oil. Now into this we're gonna place the chicken wings. Now we're gonna mix and we're gonna fry this. Once it is fried, into this goes ginger garlic paste. Let us mix this up once. And now into this we're gonna add turmeric powder, red chili powder as per your spice, salt as per your taste, garam masala, coriander powder, and cumin seeds powder. Now we are going to mix this and we are going to fry this for a minute. Now into this we are going to add a handful of curry leaves. Let us mix and let us fry until the curry leaves become crunchy. And now this is ready to be served. Enjoy this beautiful dish with rice or chapati. Don't forget to like, share or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.